Hello, everybody. Robby, Elliott, and Carol Lyles here with you from the State Champ Studio. Well, we want to talk a little bit about the underclassmen success that we are seeing in the state of Michigan. Want to start off, Maxim Nishoff, freshman, getting things done.
Number one freshman in the state of Michigan, we'll put it that way. That can always be not misleading, but it can always put an asterisk because freshmen, when they go to the varsity level, playing 14U baseball, and now, hey, they have a drop three in their hand and all that, it can sometimes, not show. He has not only showed up, but showed out. Brother Rice, he is being on a team full of loaded seniors and really good juniors, right? You got to really rise to the moment and be mature, right? And he has taken the leadership of his seniors and produced at an extremely high level.
Well, what about Broder Katkey, sophomore, continuing to get things done as well?
Yeah, this is a kid we talked about last year that was kind of unsure, and he had the Duke commitment as a freshman, and everyone's like, okay, let's all eyes on this kid, and he showed up. But this year it's astronomical. I would argue he's up there as the second or third best hitter on this team, behind a guy who's already on our top 10 list. So just another guy who has lived up to the hype, probably the best sophomore in the state, and playing on a team, once again, that is playing against the best competition week in and week out.
Another freshman, Koltyn Watters.
I am at a loss for words. I coach within the OA Red, so all the buzz is, who's this Ryland Watters kid? And then it was, who's this Koltyn Watters kid hitting over 500 as a freshman in the OA Red? That is, first of all, unheard of. I've never heard of a kid hitting as well as he has, but also doing it against the teams he's playing against. Rochester Adams does not shy away from competition. Always want the best teams, and he has done nothing more than show up in every single game. You can go through his Twitter page or Adams' Twitter page and just seeing he's performing against teams like Macomb, Dakota, Brother, right? Like every team they play against, it's, oh yeah, he's got multiple hits on the day, a couple extra base hits, right? It's just unbelievable. Koltyn Watters, you are a dog.